What's going on, people of the internet? We're about to be embarking on something we've always wanted to do. Got a GoPro and a spare tire. Got a battery. And an airbag. We're about to have some fun here. No, we're not gonna bash one of our windshields in with it, because we got a field over here. And we're gonna launch this thing, and it is gonna be awesome. What we were originally gonna do is use this GoPro, but then we realized that it was dead and we don't have a charger for it. And my brother's is off-brand, so we couldn't use his extra battery on it, which kind of sucks. So, instead of just doing GoPros, because it's a little rainy outside, I'm gonna actually have to risk my new camera that I just got for Christmas. I think this is the way it's gonna work. What I'm thinking with this, since it's got two igniters, we're gonna use hook 2, which I believe are the positive, to one line, and then 2, which I think are the negative, to the other. We'll see how it works. So, since that battery's dead, it's been sort of a shit show when it comes to filming. So we got the GoPro, my camera, and then we got a camcorder. Yeah. This is about to be fun. Alright, so we got everything set up. This, my friend, is your igniter, because his dumbass decided that he thought that, you know, maybe just 3 feet of line is going to be good enough for a safe distance.
That's all I had.
Well, maybe you should have thought about it.
I'm so scared. I'm so freaking scared.
You'll be okay.
I don't want to do this. Do we have any more line?
I'll do it.
You want to do it?
I'll do it.
All right. You're up.
All right.
Is the light on?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me make sure this thing is recording. Yep, it's recording. You ready?
Yep.
Hurry.
That went nowhere.
It blew the freaking thing off, though.
Where's my camera?
Is it under the spare?
I hope so.
Yes.
Okay, good.
She live?
Well, that was really anticlimactic.
Yeah, it was. We need a bigger airbag.
We need, yeah.
Maybe 6 of them. And like,
She lives.
like 10 feet of line.
That was kind of cool, though.
I mean, that was pretty awesome.
Yeah, but very, very underwhelming.
Not as good as I expected at all.
I mean,
Like I said, we will have a round 2.
we will have a round 2, except bigger, better, more.
Let's put my battery back
Lots
in the
more.
car.
Alright, so it's been a couple hours since we blew up the airbag, and we decided that we're just gonna hang it for a little bit. We started taking off a couple parts off the 22R engine, and this is where we have gotten. This engine is held up by jack stands, on jack stands, because we didn't have a motor, what was it, a motor lift, motor mount?
Engine stand.
Engine stand, that's what I'm looking for. So, it wasn't, we didn't have any engine stands, and Walmart didn't have any, so we did a 3-person lift on this thing. 3 of us lifted it up and got him on all these jack stands. Had the most sketchy oil change that I've ever done in my life. But we're slowly making it lighter. We're about to take the head off. We got to figure out how to get this timing chain off, which we believe is behind this fan assembly. But we got a box full of parts, and we're on our way.
But is it doing what it's supposed to? Is it really? Yeah. But the pulley's turning too.
Yeah. That's the whole point.
So we're good? Is it coming off?
Oh, no.
You're probably gonna take this assembly out.
I don't know. Can you put like something in between that and hold it from me?
Where?
Tune.
I don't know. I think if you can, you might be able to hold it from this pressure plate.
Here's your bag, so put that in there.
There we go. I don't think it's doing anything.
Hey,
Hey.
hand me mine.
Your what?
10 millimeter and an extension.
10 millimeter and extension.
I think this is just a thing. Please.
I need 12.
You 12?
Click down.
Should be
Big. These 4 bolts right here, I should be able to pull the pulley off. Maybe.
That one just mainly pulls.
You trying to get a ratchet or a wrench on that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright.
This might hold it.
All right.
Where's the camshaft thing? We're gonna put one right here.
Camshaft?
Should be in that black box.
Let's see here. Camshaft. Yep, camshaft. Don't worry, I'll set it on spin.
See, hey, grab the breaker bar so you have no leverage to fight. I'll have to put on this. Come on.
Oh.
You try and hold it in here. So you can try and get to it.
Oh, there's one.
Nice. Next one. You guys ready? Yep. 3, 2, 1.
Dude, do that.
No, it's not bad at all, especially with 2 people. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
That was nothing.
Yeah. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Alright, that was easy.
Okay, problem.
What?
Not coming up.
It's not coming off?
Yeah, it might get cooler.
Great. Unless you guys want to try and fight me for this one.
I mean, we can do that. run into a issue here. We got the 4 bolts off the main pulley, but we still got this main one right here that's gonna be an issue. We tried to get it off with me and Dylan fighting at Eric while he was trying to pull it.
I thought I could get these bolts out here, but pulleys.
Yeah, it's in the way. So we're having a little bit of an issue with it. We're gonna try and figure this out. What do you think would help us out, Eric?
Probably a pulley puller.
Yeah, probably.
Pulley puller.
Gotta guess.
And guess who's closed?
Out of them.
Yep.
Guess what Walmart has?
A lot of stuff. Just not the stuff we need.
Just dumb. Alright. Let's figure this out. Alright, so we got the fan off. Whenever we face difficulty and face challenges, we just ignore it and do other things until we have to. Now we're just taking this off. Whatever this is called.
Water pump. It feels like, it sounds like it's a water pump.
It's the
That's
timing chain cover.
Alright, so what should I make the bag?
I'm probably just gonna put all these back.
What?
I'm probably just gonna put all these back.
Oh, that's true. Once we take it off, it's probably a good idea. At the same time, we're lazy, so.
You're gonna need a Allen key right there, probably.
Probably gonna need an Allen key right there.
Yep. Oh, yep. That's the water pump.
We got some spillage. Go grab a bucket.
That'll work. This thing's about to just dump. Unless it drains out before we get this last bolt off.
No, I'm gonna let it drain. Oh, that's nice.
Oh, wow.
Ooh, yeah, that'll be replaced.
Yep, that's a little rusty.
Just use a wire wheel. I'm gonna put them right here. Don't kick that.
Oh, yeah, that's rusty.
Look, it's a penis. Classic.
Classic. Nah, it's turbo. What are you talking about? So you're just gonna get it? Yeah, look at that.
Too much boost.
Yeah.
Well, there's that.
Cool. Get a new gasket for that.
Yep.
Phone place.
You're just gonna have to get a whole engine, like, a gasket for every part of this engine.
Oh, that gasket's gone now.
Or, you know, we just put the
I
caulk.
needed more RTV.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that just fell apart. It's yeah. I want the timing chain cover.
Well, I knew that.
Yeah, the timing chain cover's gonna be right here. The problem is,
Do I don't mind.
alright, so, how can we haggard this? That's my question.
I just want to take the head off.
Well, yeah, but we gotta take that stupid thing off first.
Yeah.
So we got a pulley puller. No, I'm just kidding. We took their 1/2-inch drive, stuck it on there while he was holding the camshaft in place while I was holding to the pressure plate, and just completely beat the crap out of the 1/2-inch with a hammer. Probably not the best way to do it,
But we don't have an impact.
and it's off. So, that's what's important. Now we just gotta figure out what's
What do you
what.
think, flathead?
I'm thinking C-clamp.
Ooh, I like the way you think.
That's. Oh, okay, there it is. I thought it was C's for a second there. I was like, that's not good.
Okay, I don't see that working.
Let's try it.
Just watch out for that part where you welded it too.
Yeah, I don't think that's gonna work.
I don't think so either. Need a bigger C-clamp. Not happening.
Try the old prod.
Flatheads it is.
That just moved.
What did?
The pulley.
There it goes, yeah.
I think the too back. Oh yeah, it's gonna work. Oh yeah.
Come on.
That didn't get you, did I, John?
No. Alrighty.
And pulleys off.
Nice.
Oh, replace the front main too. While I'm in here.
Yep.
It's kind of worn.
I mean, might as well get all new gaskets
I'm
for
gonna
it.
get a gasket kit. So.
Just for the entire engine.
Yeah, whole thing.
Let's see, where'd my...
Oh, that one's already loosened in this one.
Eric loosened up a good bit of them.
Yeah, there's no way that was coming out.
Alright, put these in the main pulleys bag.
Oh yeah. So hard to do with one hand.
Who needs a pulley whenever you got flat heads?
Yeah, exactly, right?
That's probably why that's messed up.
Probably. Why, what? Oh, the gasket?
Yeah.
Yeah, more than likely.
So, I mean,
I
you're gonna replace the.
yeah.
If you're not.
Oh, that's a thread locker on it.
Nice.
Yep. That's red
that
lock
all
type.
Yeah.
That's a good idea.
It was a good idea because I got it loose.
Hey.
I believe that is our gear right here.
Yeah, it is.
Sort of. How the hell did we get this off, man?
I don't know if we do.
Make sure not to lose that slip ring.
This is why I love not consulting the Haynes manual.
This is the oil pump. No,
Yep. Alright, now we gotta take probably these bolts off here now.
Yeah.
Yeah, you should probably do that. Almost ready to take it off though.
Nothing.
Good.
Yeah, I like to see that.
Cool. Oh, off. Is there any on the bottom?
There's one right here, but I think it's plastic. I'm both covered.
I wouldn't think they'd take the whole panel.
Hope we don't have to drop the wool pan.
I wouldn't think we would yet.
Who knows, we might. Oh, that moved.
Yeah.
I'm like Jeremy Clarkson right now.
Power!
I'm with the hammer thing.
Yeah, oh, yeah.
We sure there's not anything that's open. Well, I know that's gonna be a no. I'm not sure.
Can you lift up the head, Annie?
Okay, I think I found one.
Oh, there's one in there?
It's a bolt right in there.
Oh, yeah, there is.
We just got one more bolt down there.
It's in that potable hole.
Ah, sweet.
Yeah.
I guess we'll.
Me too.
Why not two swivels? Let's see if one will be enough.
I've also got another one.
That one might be your best bet.
You got an extension?
If not, I do.
Do you have any longer extensions, Eric? Of course you do. You bought them from freaking Harbor Freight. Is that all you need?
It should be.
Okay.
It's one of those that you can turn around, move around too.
Mm-hmm.
Where's your quarter inch?
That was tiny.
Oh yeah, I've got my Mac one is about that small.
Let me get this light on.
How are we supposed to get a bolt in there?
I really don't know.
With a swivel, of course.
Maybe.
Oh, the bolt in there? Depends how long the bolt is.
I don't think it's that long.
Well, man, I guess the chain would one. I don't even know. Thanks, man.
I want to take this half moon out.
Yeah, let's take that wing gasket off.
I don't know if that's really gonna help. But...
You're all crooked.
Nah, yeah.
You should probably look at the Haynes manual. It's probably gonna be our best bet.
Probably.
Yeah.
Well, you can kind of see the bolt now.
Yeah.
Yeah. It seems like taking out the camshaft's gonna be our best bet since that bolt's gonna be really long. So, I mean, the way I look at it, it's like we could possibly, I don't know how we'd be able to, but we may be able to unscrew that bolt, and then this whole thing would come apart, and maybe we can just slip the camshaft out.
I don't know how we're gonna get to that though. I think I'll keep this in here actually.
Keep that in there for now. The only thing I can really think of, because if we want to take that off, We're gonna have to get something that's gonna be able to hold the pressure plate.
Or we could put the pulley back on. Or just that bolt.
We could put the bolt back on. So this is gonna be hard as hell to hold on to that thing while he's trying to break off the camshaft. If that's how it's supposed to work.
That's back on.
Nice. So did it actually come off?
Yeah.
Okay. So we'll put that in the camshaft box. Wherever that one is. Oh yeah.
Where did this bolt go? Which one?
That's the main pulley.
Let's just freaking leave it on for now.
Alright.
There's that.
Here's a camshaft bag.
Oh, God.
Yeah. Ooh, that's getting weighty.
There you go. Dude.
Yeah. He's probably shooting a small colony. Just keep hearing gunshots in the background for the longest time.
If we start hearing them closer, you know to go get your other mag.
So far, he stayed far away.
I go grab my pry bar. I do have a pry bar, by the way. Like a really big pry bar.
Nice.
Yeah, it's probably about, you know.
It's my beating stick.
Oh, yeah, I've seen it.
Alright, so forget the Haynes manual. We just put brute force into it, so. Gets us places.
Yes.
Oh, sweet!
Oh!
Oh, yeah.
Let's take the camshaft out real quick.
Grab a bag for the camshaft.
Gotcha.
I don't think one of those will work.
No,
I
like,
don't think it'll fit.
Oh, for the camshaft.
Yeah, like a Walmart bag over there. I mean, if that could fit in that ziploc bag, I'm not gonna pull it.
That means you got a small engine. You can fit in a quart freezer bag. Oh wait, those aren't the freezer bags. They were more expensive.
well, they weren't more expensive, you just got less.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you only got like 24 of them.
This one, like 32.
Put this in here quick.
Good deal. And that's our camshaft done.
It's probably completely the wrong way to do it.
Probably.
But you know what? It worked. So hopefully you don't have to take off the pressure plate because that's gonna be a pain.
No.
Well, we don't got nothing to hold on to. But
Oh,
you know,
I
whatever.
guess no.
We got this bolt now. I'm trying to get the cam sprocket out. Or the diamond sprocket out.
Hopefully you know how to do timing, or else we're gonna have to look this up on YouTube.
Oh yeah.
Probably gonna have to hardcore YouTube
Haynes
this.
manual.
I don't think Haynes manual is gonna tell you how to time it.
It does.
Yeah.
Oh, it does, really?
It does, yeah.
Nice.
Tells you what needs to go where and all that good stuff. Did you ever
Yep.
get that bolt out?
Yeah.
We should be able to take the.
Oh, yeah. It's over right now. Except there's a lot of oil.
Well, that's why we got two
Left it
buckets.
Yes. Grab a trash bag.
Alrighty. Just drain the oil out.
You me some of that bucket out. Alright, you ready?
Sweet. Alright, so we got that.
And that's
done.
the one that burns the oil.
And you got a little water in there.
Okay, so we got a blown head gasket.
Ain't that bad, actually.
That's probably from us.
Yeah.
Dude, this is gonna be having to clean.
Oh yeah, that's totally from us.
That's definitely from us. But that doesn't mean I'm reading.
You're getting a gasket kit though.
Yeah.
So might as well. That's weird, just it's sticking out like that.
And that's because of God's.
Oh yeah.
Cool. So this should come off now. Am I right? I am right.
Except you gotta take that bolt out now. Where's the main pulley? There it is. Man, we're keeping up good with these bags for today.
Don't lose those sprockets.
No. Did you put the bolts in here? Oh, we missed one?
One of them was a little bit long.
No.
Oh, that's the one I put back in. It goes with the water pump. It's that really rusty one I pulled out. Right?
Oh, okay. Might as well just take that out and put it.
It's
Yeah.
a rusty one.
Yeah, we'll know which one it is.
Walmart bag?
What?
Walmart bag?
Dude, we're getting work done today. Oh my god. Here, you can put that in the camshaft. Or, I mean, pulley bag. Nice. All right. So what's next?
Engine stand?
Engine stand, yeah. Yeah, that'd probably help out a bit.
When I have a block.
Yeah. Now this will be a lot easier to lift. So there's some weight right there. There's some weight. A little bit, that's some weight. So 3 people may be able to push it or lift this up again. Because that was a nightmare putting them on this jack stand. Alright, so that's all we got done for today. I think we're going to hold up for the night and pick this up tomorrow once we get some proper tools that we're going to be able to use and break her down even more.